I'm Cody from Total Pave. We provide municipalities with the ability to collect standard pavement condition data using smartphone technology instead of these extremely expensive high-speed data collection vans. So we'll start out with everything that you need to know about pavement in one simple slide. So on the y-axis here, we've got pavement condition. On the x-axis, we've got pavement age. As you can see, in general, every piece of pavement is going to remain in good health for a large portion of its life cycle. But what happens is it hits a critical point where it begins to degrade at an accelerated rate. So what happens is it'll fall off that cliff, and what you'll end up doing is spending 5 to 10 times more on major rehabilitation than what you would have spent on minor maintenance just a few years earlier. Because you can imagine all those small hairline cracks are going to turn into potholes in a matter of a couple of years. So the game really is to catch those streets before they fall off the cliff, so you end up with better conditioned roads at lower overall cost. Now, let's say we're a municipal engineer, we've got hundreds of roads. How do we know where we are along this curve so that we can catch those streets? Well, there's an easy answer to that. Believe it or not, there's indexes that will tell you exactly where you are on that curve. And this is how we currently collect them. So the municipality will go to a major engineering consulting firm that owns one of these high-speed data collection vans. It'll survey your roads and give you that exact condition value of every single road in your network. There's a huge problem. To get that service done is extremely, extremely expensive, and it prices out a broad swath of the market. Larger jurisdictions that are able to afford these services are only getting them done in a 4 to 5 year cycle on parts of their network. These small to medium-sized municipalities that are priced out, they are just shooting from the hip, basically. They have no idea where to invest their money on a yearly basis. But this is where Total Pave comes in. We can provide this exact same industry standard data at 15 times less of the cost using smartphone technology instead of the van. We have two applications that allow you to collect two different indices. One of them is completely automated, so all you do is simply mount the phone in your vehicle and it will collect this data as you drive around. And then we also have a field survey tool that allows you to input data in the field. One of the best parts about the whole system is that every single piece of data you collect in the field is automatically sent to the cloud, and it's posted to your personalized web portal where it's color-coded and ready for analysis. Now, how do we sell this? Well, we sell the entire package for an annual subscription price based on the size of the road network. So we give you the entire system. You can create as many seats as you'd like and collect as much data as you'd like. We're currently targeting 13,500 small to medium-sized municipalities in the United States and Canada, and this is how we're going to tackle that market. So we're going to go through trade shows, partner consultants, and sales calls. Trade shows have been extremely beneficial for us. So last year we devised an early adopters program where we went down to St. John for a single trade show, and we were able to round out that early adopters program through that single show, and that brought in $8,000 in revenue just last year. Partner consultants are also advantageous because they allow us to reach a market segment anywhere in the world for very, very low cost. One of the more exciting opportunities there is a professional association in the United States that we're working with that's going to open up a pool of 600 municipalities. So what do we need to get this done? Well, we've really got a technical team built, and what we need now is funds to invest in sales and marketing. So we're looking for $150,000 to piggyback on MBIF's recent investment of $150,000. In this year, it will be spent on junior sales and a senior sales business development person that we'll be adding to the team in 2017 and 2018.